Welcome to the emphasizing place value lesson in this module. And the question really is that I want to focus on is, why are there zero placeholders in multiplication? And this is just one example of how place value is often not focused on, and I want to emphasize that and show how it really can be useful in helping students understand and remember some of the quote-unquote rules that we've set up for them, and really make it a matter of understanding rather than a matter of memorizing rules. So let's take a look at the situation. Here we have a common multiplication problem of two three-digit numbers, 489 times 362. What most students are taught to do is to first multiply 489 by the 2, getting 978. Then they put down a 0 before they multiply the 489 by the 6, getting a 2934 followed by the 0. Then they put down two zeros before they multiply the 489 by the 3, getting 1467 followed by the two zeros. But the question is, where do these zeros come from? That's a good question, and making sure our students understand the answer is really a key to helping them develop fluency. So what's really going on? The answer is the distributive property. Let's start by looking at the problem we just finished in a different way. If we understand place value properly, we can see the number 362 as 2 plus 60 plus 300. At this point, we can use the distributive property to multiply 489 by each term in the parentheses. First, we multiply 489 by two ones to get the 978. Then we multiply 489 by the 60, or 6 tens, to get 29,340. Notice that when we see this as multiplying by 6 tens rather than multiplying by 6 and just tacking on a 0, the 0 makes more sense, and our students will be much less likely to forget it. Finally, we multiply the 489 by 3 hundreds, giving us 146,700. Again, the two zeros make more sense because we're dealing with hundreds. So rather than just teaching our students a few rules to memorize, simply emphasizing place value can help them truly understand what they are doing, remember how to do it right, and apply it to other situations.